What's up, family? I know some of y'all got questions about the black signal, right? Because like, what am I signing up for, brother Hot Tim? Because I heard some people get text all the time. Now, during the holidays like Kwanzaa, we sent out a lot of texts. I did a lot of competitions and stuff like that, asking questions and stuff, and that happens during the holidays. But the regular black signal is only used when we got events coming up, when we're doing fundraising, to let people know when we have our meetings and when there's other things going on in the community that people might be interested in. So I want you, if you want to be on just the regular black signal, you type in, I'm going to try to put it right up here, right about right here. Right there. See it right there? Yeah. GNJ. You text GNJ to 77292. Okay? Now, that one is just for events that's popping off in the community and right around the time when we need to do some serious fundraising and stuff for the community, far as some of these events, to let you know when things are happening. Now, for the special forces of the community, those that are daily toasters, as you see on the shirt right there, those that are daily toasters, right? Those are the individuals that get text for everything. They get text every day. We wake up between 5 and 5:30 in the morning, and we do our toast, right? And for those who are special forces and those that's looking to add a ritual to your life, right? Add some power to your life. That number to text is, you're gonna text toaster right here, toaster, to 77292 as well. All right. So I want to thank you. Right. But let's take a little bit farther. For those that only like folktales for grown folks, and that comes on every Kujichagulia. If you don't know the language, learn it. Comes up every Kujichagulia at 9 p.m. Most Kujichagulias at 9 p.m. You could toast FFGF. We're gonna try to put it right there. FFGF to 77292 for those that like tribal quotes, and that pops off every Ujamaa. Learn the language. Every Ujamaa at 9 p.m. Most Ujamaas at 9 p.m. You could text tribal to 77292. All right, thank you.